Okay. So this was the code that we
Yes,
arrived
sir.
at last week, right?
Yes, sir, it is.
Okay. Do you no, I think there's some things that are missing.
So
Where is
what
the
is
plus and
oh this one is
hmm?
different. Oh, this one is different.
Go and look for the one that says math operator.
Math operator. Okay, sir. Hmm? Wait, sir, I'm coming, sir. I'm coming, sir.
Okay. Okay, that's it, yes. Okay, that's fine.
Yes,
All
sir.
right. So I just want to see if you still remember the things that we said last week. So
Yes,
can
sir.
you explain the code from the beginning to the end? Let's see. Just take it line by line. Explain
So
explain
so this
I can explain
so
without running it. Okay?
sir,
I said explain it
sir.
without running the code.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Mm-hmm.
For the sum one, it is
Mm-hmm.
adding both. Is adding my A and my B together. So
Okay.
if I open my code, it will be 25. And for the
What will be
difference, um um my A and B combined together
I know A plus B is 25, but where is that 25 located? Where is it found?
in the sum.
Or in the variable called sum.
Yeah, in the variable called sum. Yes, sir.
All right, go ahead.
So for the difference, it is my A and my B minus. So if I open my code, it will be if sir, if I open my video to be 17, and my variable is this.
Mm-hmm.
And for the product, it is times my A times by B. Then I'll get
Okay.
my answer, and my variable will be in prod. Yeah.
Okay. What's inside prod?
What's inside prob? The answer that it will be 84.
Okay. Yeah, go ahead.
For my quotient, it is A divided by. I mean, yeah, it's A divided by 4. And
Mm-hmm.
the last time we talked about ants, which is answer.
It's still the name of the variable. It's not a different
Yes,
variable. That's
yes,
So
yes.
what happened? What's inside ans?
The it's
You don't remember
no, sir. Five
because
in ant it's 5.25,
mm-hmm.
and
Okay.
for my remainder is one, and my variable is in here, because 21 divided by 4, it can only go in 5 times, and there'll be one remainder left.
Okay. So what happens to the 5.25 that was in ans before that time?
Um,
What did we say happens to the content of a variable when you put a new content inside it?
I've forgotten.
Did you write it down in your book?
Yes, sir.
So see what happens. After each class, always go through your notes so that you remind yourself of what we learned in that class. So
what are we talking? Sir, can you say the question again?
Why you said 5.25 where you have variance A
Yes.
divided by B. The answer was 5.25, isn't it?
Yes, sir, it was.
That 5.25 is inside the variable called ans, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good. On the next line, we reused that ans. We now said instead of we use ans for modulus operator, which is the remainder after division, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Good. And you said that 1 will be stored inside ans. I said, what happened to the 5.25 that was there in ans before that time? You don't remember what I said? I said that anytime
sir?
I said anytime a variable gets a new number stored in it, whatever was there
can you say it
before,
again?
anytime a variable has a new number assigned to it,
Yes, sir.
whatever that was there before gets replaced.
Yes,
okay,
sir.
so technically it's lost. It no longer exists.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
All right. So go ahead. Let's go on to the next line.
So for this one, my variable, we made a new variable which is C, and so this plus, so we took A, our first number, and then we got the answer of it.
I told you not to run this code. You're supposed to explain this code without running it.
Okay, sir. So for the variable C, it will become A, which is going to be 21, and A is going to become 22.
Okay.
And so for D, the D is going to be 23 because it's going to be 23 because you've already added the A, which increases it by 1. So it's going to be it's going to be 23 for D.
Why is it going to be 23?
Because you've taken because the two addition side is on the left side hand of A.
Exactly. It comes before A. So that increment is done before taking the A and putting to D. That's like what I expected you to say. That's correct. Okay, go ahead.
And so for my E, you're taking B. No, for my E is going to be it's going to become my B because it's on the right hand of B. And so my B will become 3.
What's your E? What's E now?
E is 4.
Okay.
So my F will be 2 because you've already taken away 1 by my 4, which equals 3. So because it's on the left hand of B, it's going to minus it first, and then it is going to equal 2.
Okay. Okay. So that's how F and B become 2, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay, that's good.
Yes,
All
sir.
right. So I think it's better for us to have all our files in one place. So I don't know if you can arrange for that. Maybe you may need to close visuals to. Okay, so you know what you would do? Close this file, this particular file that we're looking at now, this smart operator, close it. We'll go
Okay, sir.
to File Explorer. Go to File Explorer and relocate that file from where it is now to where this
Where is File Explorer?
File Explorer is at the bottom of your screen. You're not sharing your whole screen. I need you to share your whole screen, please. I can't even verify now if you are running the code behind.
Is it this?
I cannot see the taskbar. Your taskbar. Okay, okay, good. All right. So that yellow, can you see that yellow icon?
Which one? This.
No, go to your taskbar down there. Down. Move your mouse. That first yellow icon, yes, that one. Okay. So where is document? Look for document. Yes. Okay. Look for where's where good. Okay. I want you to yes. So look for that file, the math operator. Have you seen it?
No, sir.
You've not seen it.
No, sir.
Now go back ahead. So that look at that second folder, QR code. Yes. I think
Not.
it's inside one. Which of
Okay, sir.
them? Check that first one.
Yes, sir. It's
Good.
here.
Oh, yeah, right click on it and cut it. Right click and cut.
Oh, right click. Yes, sir.
Yes, right click. Cut. Cut. This thing that looks like a good. Okay. Now go to the Cristiano Ronaldo. I think we should even have his own folder. Go to documents. Go to documents. Create a new folder.
How do I
Create a
create
new.
new?
And you see, look at the top. That place where you have scissors at the top. Have you
Yes,
seen
sir.
new? New.
Yes, sir.
Click on folder.
Yes, sir.
Good. Call it Simeon's website.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Open it. Hit enter again. Okay. Paste. Right click and paste. Yes. Okay. Now go back to documents. Go to that Cristiano Ronaldo. Look for that first.html. Just go down. It's there. Yes. Do the same thing. Cut it.
Wait.
Right.
Okay. Cut.
Yes. Then go back to your Simeon's website. Put it in Simeon's website.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Paste. Good. All right. Let's go back to Visual Studio. So next time we know where to find our files. All our files must be here. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In fact, go back to. Have you closed that File Explorer?
Uh,
No.
No.
Don't close it.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Create a new folder here. We'll call it images. All lowercase. Inside this folder. Don't go out. Yes. Folder. Yes. Images. IMAGES.
Wait. I need to wait. I'm coming, sir.
Rename it. Just rename. Images.
How do you rename?
That thing that has A on it. Yes, that one. Move your mouse up. Up. Yes, that one. Delete that second one that you you created now. Delete it. We don't need it.
How do I delete
Just
it?
just press delete keyboard or that press the trash can, anyone you want.
Yes, I've deleted it.
Okay, good. So don't worry, we will come back to use these images later today. So go back to Visual Studio now. Let's make sure that all our folders are in that, all our files are in that folder. Go back to Visual Studio.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now you know by now that this file is not where it should be. You can close it. Close that first.html. That's why it is having that line across it. Close it.
I should close both of them.
Close both of them, yes.
So,
good. All right. Let's open them correctly. So go and look for under Explorer.
Explorer. What should I press on Explorer?
So
hello, sir.
Open folder now. Open folder. Is it not allowing you to see folder?
Oh, wait. Yes. Open folder. Yes, sir. Simeon's website. Select folder.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Good. Well done. So this is what we want to be seeing. We want to be seeing only our files. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Don't you like it like this?
I do, sir. So everything is not everywhere.
Exactly. All right. Okay. So well done. You were able to explain that as code. But I want you to be very, next time be very, very sure of yourself when you're explaining something.
Yes,
to
sir.
show that
I know it.
Yes, exactly. Okay. All right. So I want us to do learn how to add images to a web page. So we're going to
I think I know how to do that.
You know how to do what?
I think I know how to do that.
Okay.
But not as good as other people's own.
Okay. All right. So how do you do it?
No, I only know how to do it when I don't know how to show it on a screen. But I've seen like you could just type images, right click on it, copy it, and then paste it on your stuff.
Okay. Oh, well, I guess maybe you are talking about using something like an editor, but then now we're not using an editor. We're doing it using Visual Studio, so you might.
Okay, sir.
It might not be that straightforward, but anyway, okay. So let's see how to do that. So you have first.html open, right?
Yes, sir. First.html.
Okay, good. So we'll just add an image. Now, remember, in any HTML file, how many languages are there? How many languages are there? Do you remember what I said about the number of languages? How many languages are in a HTML page? Can you remember?
No, sir. I can't remember.
You've forgotten. I said HTML is a language. Is it not a language?
Oh, yes, sir. Hypertext markup language.
Good. But the only thing that is not a programming language. Remember I said that, right?
Yes, I remember you said that.
Good. What kind of language is it? Do you remember what I said?
Markup.
Markup, but there was another name I gave it. What name was that? It starts with letter P.
Presenting language.
Presentation. Okay, you tried.
Presentation. Yes, sir. I was looking at the wrong thing I wrote.
Okay. So correct it. So it's presentation. Then
yes,
second language is what? You can guess.
Markup.
No.
Second language.
Yes.
Is it JavaScript?
Of course, it's JavaScript. If the first one is the presentation language, which is HTML. Obviously, the second one should be what? JavaScript, isn't it?
Yes,
Good.
sir.
Now, where we want to add images,
Yes,
to
sir.
add an image is markup. So that tells us something. It's not JavaScript that will be doing to add images, okay? We'll
It's
go
not
to the markup.
JavaScript.
Yes, it's markup. All right, that's HTML. Do you get it
Yes.
now?
Yes, I get it,
Okay.
sir.
All right. So, but before we add the images, let's go and look for an image on your computer. So let's go back to File Explorer, shall we?
Alex. Okay, sir. I
Yes.
don't really think I have any images on this.
You don't? How come? Just
Oh,
go to your File Explorer. Look for
should I go to
pictures.
pictures?
Yes, go to pictures. Are those not images?
Oh, yes, oh, they are.
But they can't open. We don't want images that you can't open. No.
Yes, I let me. I cannot open any. Wait, this one is not accessible.
It's not accessible. Okay.
Then
Don't, you know what?
this one is not
You know
accessible.
it's not accessible to. Don't
No,
worry,
sir.
just leave it. Leave it.
Okay,
Hold
sir.
on. Let's
Yes, sir.
create our page. Okay. Do you
Okay,
have
sir.
a Microsoft Paint? Microsoft Paint on your computer?
Microsoft.
Paint. Paint. Paint.
Microsoft.
Just type paint. It will pick it.
Pint. Pint.
No, now the one that second one there. Yes, that's it.
Oh,
Open it.
paint.
Yes, paint. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Have you used paint before?
No, sir. I've never used paint.
Okay, let's use paint. Let's just create an image. You can draw different things. So let's just quickly draw a house.
Yes,
Can you see that place says shapes at the top?
where?
Where
Yeah.
your mouse is. Click on that triangle. Click on the triangle. Second to the last one on the top right. On the
Yes,
top
sir.
row. Second
Yes,
to
I
the
see.
last one.
Sir, please, can I get my laptop charger?
Okay, go ahead.
Yes, sir. It's just in the next.
All right, go ahead. Go and get it.
Back, sir.
Are you back?
Yes, I'm back.
Okay. Have you plugged it?
I don't have this. Yes, I plugged it.
Okay, all right. Okay, so let's go for the triangle. Second to the last one.
Yes, I clicked on it.
Okay, have you clicked on it?
Yes, I clicked on it.
Okay, go back to that drawing space where you have that white rectangle in the middle.
White rectangle. Yeah.
Yes. All right. Now go up. Move your mouse up a bit. Move it up a bit. Okay, good. Oh no, come down. Come down. Down. Down a little. Down a little. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Okay. Now left click. Hold down your left mouse and drag. Hold down the left mouse on your keyboard and drag. Spread out. Now you can spread it out. Okay. Yes. Go ahead. No, don't spread it out that way. Spread out to the left and to the right. Make it wider. You know now, like a house, like the roof of a house. Make it wider. Keep going.
Okay, I should keep going. Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. All right. Now raise it up a bit. Raise everything up. No, not that way. Not that way. Bring it down. Bring it back down. Now put your mouse in the middle.
Yes, sir.
Move the Just move your mouse to the middle. No, I didn't say you should drag it. Just move. Now, yes, move your mouse to the middle of the rectangle, of the triangle. Yes. Click, hold down, and drag it up. Take it up. Good. Okay, good. It's fine. Move it down a bit so there's some
that
space.
good?
Move it down a bit so there's some space at the top. Just a bit.
A bit
Down, yes. Just move it down.
Fair enough.
Okay, that's fine. All right. So go and click on another shape. You can click on the rectangle. Yes, that one. Now, now don't go. Don't start there. Don't start there. Go to no. Move in a bit. Move in a bit. Let your mouse be on the side, the base of that triangle. Go back to the left now. I said move in a bit. I didn't say you should move in too much. Just a bit. Move to the right a bit. Move again. Okay, fine. All right. Hold down your left mouse and drag.
My left.
Yes. Hold down the left. Yes. Mouse key. Drag to your right hand side. I didn't say you should drop. Why did you drop? You are supposed to drag it. Until I tell you to drop, that's when you drop. Do it again.
Sir. So how do I rub it out?
You can just click on undo. Can you see that arrow at the top left? Yes,
Okay,
undo.
sir.
Good. Repeat what you just did now.
Repeat.
Yes, as in click on the triangle now, the rectangle, sorry.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Hold down the left key. The left
Hold
button,
it down.
sorry. Yes, hold it down and drag. Keep dragging. I didn't say just keep dragging. Drag down and then drag to the right hand side. Drag to your right hand side. You dropped again. You're not supposed to drop.
So I don't get
drag,
this. So I don't get
see,
this.
don't worry, you can do it. You drag down and drag to the right. You just imagine yourself drawing something. That's just what you're doing. You're just using the computer to draw. You hold down the left mouse key and drag all the way to the right before you
Which
drop.
one? I'm not good with this.
No problem. Bring your mouse down to that place where you see those small. No, up to the middle. Okay. All right. Try and drag to the right hand side.
This way.
Yes. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Stop. Go back. That's fine. That's fine. That's okay. Okay. Yes, that's okay. All right.
Is that good enough, sir?
Yes, that's good. Okay. So click. Yes, click anywhere you like. Just click out so that those things will not be there again. Those lines. Click outside. Click outside the shape. Click outside the shape. Okay, good. All right. So we need another rectangle for the door. So go ahead and draw and put something for the door.
Like that.
Okay, that's fine. All right. So stretch it out. No.
Wait,
What are you doing now?
I made a mistake.
That same one. You know what we did? You stretch it out.
Wait, sir.
So can you undo again? Undo again. Remove that one that is there. It's not a line that you are drawing. It's a rectangle that you are drawing. We need a rectangle, not a line. So undo. Okay. Okay. Try again. Better. That's better. Okay. All right. So you can do the same thing. Do some windows, and then we'll be good to go. Okay.
It's coming.
That one cannot move again. Once you click outside the shape, you can't, do you get? It
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
doesn't, yes. But well done, you're trying for a first time.
Undo. I need to match it.
Yes, it's okay. It doesn't have to be perfect though. We just want to quickly create an image. This is one of the few ways you can get an image. Of course, I'm sure you know how to download images from the internet, right?
Yes, I do.
But I want us to, have some fun creating our own images, because it's possible that you may need to create your own image. So what do you now do?
Sir,
Okay, so
uh,
so let's
I'm
put
ready.
in some code, shall we?
Okay, put in some. I should go back to my code.
No. Here, let's add some color to your. Don't you want to color it? Do you like it black
Ah,
and white?
okay, okay. I get it. I get it.
Uh-huh. Let's add some color to it. Okay, before we add some color to it, can you see that place where you have at the base of at the left hand side of the house? Go
Yeah,
to the bottom corner.
the bottom corner. Yeah.
Yes, thank you. So go and look. Can you see that place where it says that you have a line? Still on that top row where you find the rectangle, you see a line. Have you seen it?
This
Under
line.
shapes, shapes. At the top row, top left, extreme left, top left, under
Yeah.
shapes, under shapes. That place where you
Under.
have shapes. Yes, look at shapes now. Where you have
Mm,
shapes.
yes,
That
sir.
place where you have the rectangle. That same
Yes,
line
sir.
where you have the rectangle too. Go to
Yes,
the
sir.
left. You see line. Have you seen the line?
Yes, sir. This
Yes,
line. Yes, sir.
yes, that one. Click on it.
Yes, I
Uh-huh.
am.
Oh, yeah. Now go back to that place where you were, bottom left of your house. I want you to draw a line from there to the edge of this white space.
This
Draw a
one.
straight. Yes. No, I didn't say no. Don't do, not up. A straight line, flat, as in horizontal line.
What?
That's vertical. Horizontal, not vertical. Horizontal, straight, as in from right to left. Yes. You're still doing from top to bottom. I said from right to left. You draw it straight. No, that's not what I want.
I
See, let me
don't
show you.
get
Let me show you.
it.
Hold on, don't worry. Let me show you some. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Can you see what I'm doing? My line is not straight,
Yes,
but
sir.
that's how I want the line to be. Thank you. Okay. Now do the same thing for the other side.
Is that it, sir?
Okay, yes, that's it. All right. So now let's add some color. So let's add some color to that base. Can you see where
Wait,
it says
yes, sir.
color?
Yes, sir. I can see it says color.
Click on green. I want to paint that bottom green, like the grass.
And dark green or
Green.
light green?
Let's do dark green.
Okay, sir.
Have you selected dark
Okay,
green?
green.
Yes. Okay. Now,
Yes, I turn dark green. And you
okay,
already make this one dark.
okay. So can you see that place where it says tools? Yes. Look at the top row beside the A in the middle, something that looks like a bucket. Click on it, the paint bucket. Beside the A.
This.
No, not that one. Not
The
that one.
brush.
That's not brush. The one. Go back now. Go back to where you were before. The middle. The one at the middle after the A.
Yeah, two. This one.
Yes. Click it. Have you
Yes, sir.
clicked it? All
I
right.
click it.
Now move. So go down to the bottom of your shape.
To the bottom.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Go into the space. Go into the space.
What do you mean going into the space?
Move your mouse down a bit.
Down, yeah.
Oh yeah. Left click once. Click your
Okay,
left.
sir.
Okay. All right. Okay, so let's go
Is
on.
that good enough, sir?
So very well. Yes, you're trying. All right, so let's paint the
Okay,
sky.
sir.
Go and choose the blue color. Sky blue.
Blue. Is it light blue or dark blue?
Let's do the dark for now. Okay. All right.
Is that good?
So yes. So what colors do you want to paint your house? You can choose your own colors yourself.
Let us make it. I want my windows to be Wait, so shouldn't I make it like a window, like one line here and one line there for my window?
Okay, you want to do that, you can do that. But that means you have to draw again. So that means you have to go and choose. You have to change your two. You go and look for the. You change the color. I think you
How
need to
do I
change
do
the
it?
color.
So how
Change
do
the
I
color
change it
to
back?
black.
Sir?
Change the color to black. That place that you chose blue, look for
Okay.
black. No, not the
Oh,
down, not the down, not the
okay.
down one. The up one. The down one should be white. Leave it as white.
Yes, sir.
Take it back to white. That down one
Yeah,
should be white. Don't change it to
yes,
black.
sir.
Okay. Okay. Anytime you are done drawing something, click outside that thing. Just click away from it. Okay.
But this is rubbish.
It's not straight. If you want to draw a
Yes,
line, you
yes,
want
sir.
it to be straight. You see your CTRL key, control key. Hold it down anytime you are drawing. The line will be
Control
straight.
Q.
Control key. The control key, that key that says CTRL. Anytime you are drawing, hold
But,
it down.
so let me just leave this thing. I'll just draw my.
Okay, no problem now. Just color it. So go ahead and color it.
Wait. And
Okay.
wait.
So
Uh, let us.
is this all? Are you fine with this?
Yes, I'm fine with this.
Okay. All right. So let's save the picture. So
How do I save
click.
it?
Yes. Can you see file? Yes. Click that file
Yes.
there.
Save.
Click save. Yes.
Should I click save or save as?
Save, of course. The first time you want to save a file, you save it. Click it as
Okay.
save. You only use save as if you want to change the name.
Okay, so I saved it.
No, don't click on. Have you seen your Simon's website, Simeon's website at the left?
Yes, sir.
Click on images. Double click images.
Save.
Okay. You didn't change the name. I thought you changed the name.
Wait. Wow.
You've
Recent.
already. Don't worry. You've already saved it. Don't worry.
Okay,
Just
sir.
leave it. Leave it. But next time, you always try and change the name. I
Okay,
think
sir.
is it a dot, it's a .jpg file, right?
What does that mean?
Don't worry. You see the file extension. I close this. Let's close this quickly.
Should I go back to my...
Yes, go back to Visual Studio. All right. Yes, we're back here. So what we want is for that image that you just created to show up here. Okay.
Show
I want it to on your web page. Don't worry, you see it when you when you say open in live server.
Yes, sir.
So it will show there. That's what we want to do. Okay.
Okay, sir.
All right. So do you remember the first step? The first step is to make sure that there's an image inside the images folder, isn't it?
Image.
Do you understand what I'm trying to say?
So is this it?
This is not what we want to do.
So
I'm saying, do you understand what we just did now?
We're trying to put it in here.
Yes, we want it to display when our web page is showing. Do you understand?
Okay. I get it.
So in case you want to write down in your note, you want to write down what we are doing now.
What? Sir, what should I write?
You say to ensure that we have an image on our page, we must make sure that there is an image.
Can I write it in the chat?
Okay. Have you written down today's date?
No, sir. What is today's date?
It's 7th.
Saturday the 7th.
Yes.
Okay, sir. I've written down the date. So what is the title?
Okay. I think I will just send it as part of the what I'm doing here. Steps to add an image to your web page.
Have you sent it?
No worry, I'm sending it now.
Okay, sir.
I've sent some. Okay. All right. When you're done writing, let me know.
Sir, I can't hear you.
I said, when you're done writing, let me know.
Okay, sir. I've written it, sir.
Okay. All right. Okay, so let's go practical again. So you can pause on the note for now. Maybe we'll finish that one later. All right. So we've done the first step, which is to make sure that there's an image inside our images folder, right?
Yes, sir.
Good. All right. So the next step is
Yes, sir.
to add the markup to our page. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. So you can go to your. Let's go to your screen now. Your code.
My
You
code.
see
This is
that?
my code.
Yes. You see that place where you have the P, the
The
paragraph.
P. Eh,
Yes.
The P. Yes, paragraph.
Uh-huh. You can put your cursor after the end and then hit enter.
After the end.
At the end of P now, outside it,
Okay.
yes. Okay. Okay. So for image, we use the img tag. So you do your less than, type img, and
Yes,
then
sir.
put a space.
Okay. Images.
No, I said img. I didn't say images.
Okay.
Img.
Okay, sir.
Mhm. Good. Correct.
So
Okay.
what do I put after the IMG?
Move your cursor back to just after the G and then put a space.
After the G. Okay.
Yes, after the G.
Yes, sir. Is it there?
That's not, you're still outside the tag. Put
Read
it back
this.
inside.
Yes, sir. I'm
Uh-huh.
inside.
Better. Now type a space there.
Okay. Yes, sir.
All right. Now you're going to type SRC.
Inside
SRC.
of it. Inside of it.
Yes, please.
SRC. Okay, sir.
Okay. Then put a space.
After that. Okay, sir.
Then put your assignment operator.
My. Yes, sir.
Okay. And then put a quotation mark. Okay. Now, can you see just can you see that place where it says images?
Yes, sir. I can.
All right, click on it. Click on untitled.png.
Yes, I've clicked on
So
it.
you see what? Do you know what happened right now? Visual Studio
What, sir?
helped you to finish it, but ideally you
Yes,
are the
sir.
one that typed all these things that just came up on the screen now. Do you understand
Yes,
what I
sir.
just want? What I
Yes,
uh-huh.
sir. Yes, I do, sir.
So take note of it. I want you to look at it carefully. You typed the name of the folder images, followed by a forward slash.
Sir, please, can you say it slowly?
You typed the name of the folder followed by a forward slash. A forward slash is a slash that's tilting towards the right hand side.
You type the name of the
folder.
Yes, sir.
The name of the folder, is it not images?
Yes, sir. You type the name of the folder
followed by a forward slash.
Followed by a
forward
slash.
Then the name of the image.
Then
the name of the image.
Name of the image.
With its file extension.
With its
file extension.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You know what the file extension is?
No, sir.
You see that .png?
Dot where?
.png. Look at it now. You need to see it there. Where the cursor is. Look at where your cursor is. Not where you are moving your... You've already changed. Look at the file name, src. After what showed up when you typed src? Read it now. What comes after the
ELC? It is assignment operator.
And then
what do you call it again?
Quotation marks.
And then the quotation mark.
And then the
name of the folder and the image.
The name of the folder and
image.
Images. So after that,
so what do you mean after that?
After images, what comes next now?
.png.
No, the forward slash. You've forgotten. Look at it there now.
Slash. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Then the forward slash.
After the forward slash, then you now have the name of the image. Is it not? It's untitled, not the name of the image.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is. Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
Remember, we said with the file extension, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
That's why that .png is there. Do you understand now?
Yes, I understand.
If you don't put it like that, do you know what will happen?
What, sir?
The image will not show.
Okay. So without the forward slash, it will not show.
Yeah, no, without the file extension.
Okay, it will not show. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, and yes, you might also be right. Without the forward slash too, it will not show because it's not showing, it's not displaying correctly. Okay.
Yes,
all right. So let's take a look at what we have on the page. Let's see what we show. So you can go ahead and check in your live server.
Okay, sir. It shows this house.
Did you notice that the size of the image almost filled up the screen?
Yes, I almost did.
So, do you know why I did like that?
Why, sir?
Because that is the size of the image. That's the real size. If you go and check this image now,
Oh,
in
yes,
your
sir, it is. It is.
the actual size. But now there are sometimes we may want to reduce the size of the image on our web page. Okay, so that's
How do
what we
you do
want to
that,
learn
sir?
about.
Yes, sir.
So go back to your code. Let's talk about that.
My code. This is my code, sir.
Okay. Okay. All right.
This is my
So you
code.
see that quotation mark after the dot png.
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh.
Yes,
Put your mouse, click your put your cursor after it.
yes, sir.
Okay. Type a space.
Space.
Yes. Then you're going to type width with
W
wi.
I
Yes,
V.
that's it.
Okay.
Yes.
TH.
Then put now assignment
Um.
operator.
Oh, yes, sir. Assignment operator. Yes, sir.
Now I'm going to give you a value, okay? But if you don't like the value, you can either make it bigger or smaller.
Okay.
Let's
Okay.
use uh, let's use 200px. 200p and then letter x.
I should write it.
200p. Yes.
Two.
Type it there.
200
px.
px. Is it that
Yeah.
x? Okay.
Yes, that's it. Correct. I go and try it. Let's see how it will look. Save it.
My code.
Open in live server. Yes. Open in live server.
Open with last server. Hello, guys. How's your day? Okay, now it's smaller. It's very small.
So can you see we can control the size of our image using that width?
Yes, sir, we can.
Uh-huh. Okay. So um let's say some things about this web page. What else did you notice?
Uh,
Did you notice that the image and welcome to my web page did
yes,
not
sir.
show until all the alerts finished?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, I did.
Why do you think that's so?
Um, is it because it's in that P box?
Because it's in which p box?
Uh, wait. So I don't. Um,
You don't have an idea?
no, sir, I don't.
Okay, let's go back to the code. Let me use the code and explain to you.
Yes, sir.
So do you remember when we were talking about our web pages? I told you that time that a web page has a head and a body side, isn't it?
Yes, sir, it does.
Good. So just like if you are looking at somebody now,
Yes, sir.
what do you see first? Is it not the person's head that you see first?
Yes, sir, it is.
Uh-huh. So what that means is that everything in the head of your web page
Yes,
will
sir.
happen.
Okay,
Now,
sir.
you know that all those your alerts, where are they?
Yes,
Is it
sir.
not inside the head that you have them?
Yes, sir, it is.
Uh, so because of that, they must all finish up before
Yes,
the
sir.
body will show up. Okay.
Yes,
And did
sir.
you see that the paragraph and the IMG, both of them are inside the body?
Yes, sir, they are.
Uh-huh. That's why they showed up last. Does it
Okay,
make sense?
sir.
Uh-huh.
Yes, sir. Yes, I do.
All right. Okay. So do you have any questions?
No. No, sir.
Okay. So that bit, I'm sure you can add something to your note about images, right?
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh. Now let me say something about the SRC. You see that SRC there?
Yes, I do. I see it.
You see that SRC is very, very important. If you remove it now, that image will not show at all.
Yes, okay, sir.
Okay. So in your book, you write that let me send it as chat.
Okay.
I hope that this thing will allow me to send it as chat.
Who sent it?
No, I'm still typing.
Okay.
It's not
Okay,
much.
sir.
I'm taking my time to type.
Okay, sir. They loves me the same too. Merry Christmas to you.
All right, check what I sent.
Yes, I see it. So,
All right. So as you're writing down, I want you to look at what you're writing very well. Okay?
yes, sir.
Look at the word source.
Sauce. Where does?
The
Oh,
source of
yes, I
something.
see it.
What,
Yes, I see
what
it.
does source mean? What does source mean? Does it not mean where something comes from?
Yes, sir.
Good. So the source of an image is where the image does what? Comes from. And right now, our image comes from where? Is it not that images folder?
Yes, sir.
Good. So I want you to look at SRC very well. And if you look at it very well, you will see that SRC is the
Yes,
word
sir.
source. It's the
Yes,
word
sir.
source. It's not that we have removed the letters O and U and E.
Okay.
Have you
Okay.
seen it?
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh. Does it make sense now?
Yes, sir, it does.
Okay, good. So what I sent there in your note is not a real this thing. No. It's just for us to understand what is happening. Images forward slash name of image dot extension. The extension is that PNG in this our own example. Do you
Okay,
understand now?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, I
Uh,
do, sir.
There are some other extensions you will see later, like JPG, BMP. There are so many. Okay, but
Yes, sir.
this is the one that we want to use for today. .png. All right. So, do you have any questions?
No, sir.
Okay, I want to send one more to control the size of our image. We use the width attribute. Okay, have you seen what I sent?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so just write it and I'll explain. I know I've already explained it, but I'm not sure I've explained the meaning of the word attribute, have I?
No, sir, you haven't.
Don't worry, I will explain it. It's not hard.
Yes, sir.
Just tell me when you finish writing.
I've written it, sir.
Okay, beautiful. Well done. Okay. Anybody disturbing you there?
No, sir.
I hope.
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. All right. Good. Okay. So, what's the meaning of the word attribute? Okay. Now, did you? I think right from the first day we talked about body. Do you remember when we said you look at body when you said we wanted to say the color of body should be red?
Yes, I
That
do.
big color is called an attribute too. So an attribute is simply something that we use to um, give more information about the tag. Do you
Yes, sir.
understand?
Yes, sir.
So for instance now, in your body attribute, your body tag, sorry, the attribute there is what? BG color, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Just understanding that an attribute is something that gives more information. So what is BG color saying? BG color is saying that the background color of
Red.
that of the body is what? Red.
Red.
Look at the SRC attribute. Okay,
Yes, sir.
SRC attribute is telling you where to find the image, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
What is the width attribute showing you? It's telling you the size, what the size, maximum size of the image should be, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh. So, do you now understand what an attribute is?
Yes, sir.
So, if you want to liken an attribute to something, think
Yes,
about an
sir.
attribute like an adjective. In
Yes,
English,
sir.
they told us that an adjective is what? What's an adjective in English?
Oh, is it like
You've forgotten what an adjective is?
uh,
Hmm?
uh
An,
I don't
an
I forgot
adjective
it,
is a
sir.
word. It's a word that qualifies a noun, isn't it?
Oh, okay, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It tells us more about a noun. Okay.
Yes,
So, for
sir.
instance, you can say a ball. Okay. Then you want to tell us the color of that ball. You say a blue ball, isn't it? Eh?
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh. So that blue that you've used to qualify the ball is what? An adjective. Same thing
Adjective.
with maybe you want to tell us that the ball is big. So you say a big blue ball,
Yes,
isn't
sir.
it?
Yes, sir.
So you are now adding more adjectives to give us more ideas about the noun ball.
Yes, sir.
So in this
Yes,
case,
sir.
an attribute, you can look at an attribute like an adjective that gives
Yes,
us
sir.
more information about our tags.
Yes, sir.
Do you want to write that down?
So I should write.
An attribute is simply that's a value that gives us more information about our tags. An attribute is simply a value that gives us more information about our tag.
Everything, sir.
Okay. Do you want to give examples? You can say e.g. BG color, and then don't forget, put the assignment operator and then maybe red in quotation marks. That's how it looks. Okay. BG color, and please don't put a space between the BG and the color when you are writing down. BG
Yes,
color,
sir.
put your assignment operator, put quotation mark,
Yes, sir.
RED, close the quotation mark.
Yes, sir.
I think that's enough example, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. I think we've learned enough for today, but I want you to practice. So, what you are going to do for me now, the classwork you will do for me now, I want you to go and add another image. This time, download the image from the internet. So, I give you that permission. So, go and look for an image, maybe image of a dog, or I don't know what you want to get an image of that you want to show on your web page. Do you like
Yes,
dogs?
yes, I do.
Okay, all right. So let's go and find the image of a dog, and then we'll download it, and then don't forget, we'll move it into which folder? Images folder. So
Yes,
let's
sir.
see you do that. So go
Okay.
ahead. I'm watching.
Are you there, sir?
I am. I am. I said I'm watching you. Go ahead.
Okay. Wait, sir, do I copy link?
Save image will be better. Save image will be better. If you copy link, you don't even know where the image is. The original owner of the image can remove it tomorrow. But you want
Wait.
to, you understand? Save image as, that's the best.
Okay.
And if I were you, I'll save it directly to my images folder. Change the name to dog or something, so it will be self-descriptive. Okay. Did you notice that the file extension of this one is different?
Yes, sir.
What was the file extension? Let me see if you noticed it.
Sir?
What was the file extension? Hmm? What was the
Sir,
file extension?
the file extension.
Mm-hmm. You're going to go and check, Abby. You have forgotten. It was JPEG now. So when you were downloading, you did not notice all those things.
Oh, okay, sir.
You cannot see JPG there. .jpg.
Okay, yes, I see it.
You should be taking note of those things. So
Yes, sir. Sir,
all right. Okay, well done. Okay, well done. I
thank
think
you, sir.
so. But now, did you notice something?
Uh,
Did you notice that the image
notice
of the
what?
dog to be seems to be higher than the image of the house?
Yes, sir.
That's because you only specified the width attribute. There's actually a height attribute that you can also specify. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so you can go ahead and type height after that width. No, not there now. We have to put, and you didn't even close the greater than after everything. How did you do that? I didn't say you should type them together. Width is separate. Width, you have its own width. Assignment operator 200px. Height, assignment operator 100px.
Wait, can you say it again?
Width, assignment operator 200px. Height, assignment operator 100px. Look at what you're typing. Look at what you're typing.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Okay, let's test it and see how it looks.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So there's a now. What do you see about the image of the dog? It's a bit distorted, Abby.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. It's fine. So sometimes
Yes, sir.
it's best to just stick with only changing the width attribute. So don't
Yes,
worry, we may not be using height a
sir.
lot.
Yes, sir.
Any problem?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. So I said that we may not be changing the what do you call it? The height attribute, okay? We'll just
Yes, sir.
stick with changing only the width, and
Yes, sir.
that will help our image to maintain its what do you call it? Its form. All
Yes,
right.
sir.
So well done, you've tried. So
Thank you, sir.
um okay. So I'll see. Maybe I'll send you something to do. Okay. Our next class will be Tuesday, right?
Sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have any questions?
No, sir.
Okay. All right. Okay. So my greetings to Shalom and your dad
Yes, sir.
and
Yes,
everyone.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Enjoy the rest of the weekend.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye bye, sir.
All right. Bye bye.